This is a 96 Ford 150, two-wheel drive, 6-cylinder. Not a bad truck. Needs a lot of body work. Got a wooden box on it that me and my uncle built last year or so. Not bad looking. Nice big Ford sticker. All custom taillights in the back that we put in. Not a bad looking truck. Needs a lot of work. Needs a new paint job, for one thing. Needs a better rim there. But got about 400,000 kilometers on it. Nice yellow seat. That's just a cover. Kind of a cloudy night out. And we're going to get some thunder and lightning, I think. I don't know. See you later.